Myself, Nitish, and Sarveshwaran will be narrating through this video about RFID attendance system, and other team members who helped through this project are Nitin Vignesh and Harhita. So our project is about RFID attendance system, which provides wireless identification of students and employees when they fall in the radio frequency range of the RFID attendance reader. To mark the attendance automatically, the students or the staff need to carry the RFID tag that contains the unique information about them and tap it on the RFID sensor placed in a school or an institution. So the objective of our project is to create a smart attendance system which makes the process of taking attendance more quick and rapid, less tedious, cost efficient and hard to adulterate, and which is very modest. RFID is known as radio frequency identification and refers to a technology where digital data encoded in RFID tags or smart labels are captured by a reader via radio waves. RFID system consists of three components: an RFID tag or a smart label, an RFID reader, and an antenna. RFID tag contains an integrated circuit and an antenna which are used to transmit the data to RFID reader, and the reader then converts the radio waves to a more usable form of data. Information collected from the tags is then transformed through a communication interface to host computer system where the data can be stored in a database and analyzed at a later time. The software which we'll be using for our project is PLX DAQ software, which is also known as Parallax Data Acquisition Software, which is an add-on tool for Microsoft Excel. With the help of this software, we can be able to send data from any microcontroller connected to a PC and save them in an Excel sheet. The components required for making a smart attendance system are Arduino Uno, RFID RC522 module, jumper wires, and a buzzer. RFID tag with suitable frequency is tapped on the RFID sensor. A buzzer sound is produced indicating that the card is read, and simultaneously you can see that the data will be transferred to an Excel sheet.
The advantages of the system is it produces more accurate identification. It identifies the candidates in seconds. The system is less tedious and cost efficient and easy to use, hard to adulterate and modest. The disadvantage of the system is expensive, but the technology goes into making it. In case of a large strength of students, purchasing tags for everyone is costly. Replacing microchip, radio receiver, antenna, and battery in the system tiresome and cost money. Since it is not secure as biometric, the system is prone to manipulation.
So that's all about the RFID based smart attendance system using Arduino Uno, RFID sensor, and PLX DAQ software. We hope that the project helped you understand the working of RFID based attendance system and how easy it can ease the process of taking attendance and maintaining the data of the same. That's it about the project, and thank you.